Welcome to the second episode of ECTV Tries, where we undergo a new adventure every week. I'm Francesco Mancini-Menditto.
And I'm Veith, and we're your triers for the week. We've not been told what we will be doing today, but we have been given a hint. The information we were told about this challenge is that it's Valentine's Day themed.
So, what do you think it could be?
I think it's probably got something to do with candy, because it's like sweet tarts or chocolate. Generally a big part of Valentine's Day.
That's fair and all. Like it could be like some kind of challenge done where like the two of us have to do it together or something. Matching with the whole couples theme of just the holiday. Now, we're just a couple of friends, so therefore, this should still match well with the Valentine's Day theme.
Yeah, definitely could be.
Yeah, I think that's a pretty fair prediction of what this could be.
Could be a mix of both.
Yeah, so you want to figure out what we gotta do?
Yeah, let's get into it. All right,
so our task is...
Test your knowledge and guess the top 10 candy that is bought on Valentine's Day. The winner gets a prize.
Okay, now that's honestly not too far off from what you guessed, I guess.
I mean, it has to do with candy.
So. I'm not complaining. Like anything chocolate and I'm in.
Well, we'll be right back. We just have to set up for the task.
Welcome back, everyone, where we have just gotten our task. On these two lovely sheets of paper that our producer Jess has gladly made for us, we have to guess the top 10 Valentine's Day candy. Now, Will, I'm gonna be honest, I haven't bought Valentine's Day candy once.
Me either.
So, how confident are you that we are going, to at least score 1 point?
On a scale of 1 to 10?
On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being, I'm not gonna guess a single thing right, 10 to being, oh yeah, I completely got this.
I'll give it a 2. How about you?
Yeah, you know what? I'll try to be a little bit positive. I'll give it a 3.
All right.
All right then. So,
we're starting with 10.
Yeah,
so.
I mean, you guys start at the bottom.
Yeah, work our way up.
Okay.
You want to go first, or should I?
Let's see. So let's think about this logically. If 10 is the least popular candy, I mean, we all know that there's like a bad chocolate out there somewhere in the world. I wouldn't be surprised if it actually happened. But yet again, it's like every holiday except St. Patrick's Day. I just find a new variety of Peeps at any grocery store that I can possibly imagine. Now, I know it sounds odd, but in my honest opinion, if they can make a marshmallow chick and just like some kind of like marshmallow bunny, I'm pretty sure that they can make a heart.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go with the heart-shaped Reese's Pieces.
All right. Well, let's just tear it off. Let's see on how wrong we are.
Oh.
Fun dip.
Fun dip.
That's
Number 10. I didn't know that was Valentine's candy.
Yeah, I didn't know either.
Oh, you know what? It totally is. I got that at middle school. Yeah, that does fit. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I haven't had like Fun Dip in like 12 years. Yeah, it just tastes bad, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not great, but it works.
I mean, anyway. I'll take what I can get.
Number 9.
Okay, number 9. So we truly hit rock bottom. So
no, we didn't get Pop Rocks yet.
Fair enough.
I'm going Pop Rocks, by the way.
Yeah, I kind of figured. Let's see. Well, no one in their right mind would rate chocolate this low, so... Although I struggle to see how Pop Rocks is like a...
I don't know if it is.
Yeah.
I thought of it, so it's gone.
You know what? I'm thinking of one of those weird Pez dispensers. So I'm gonna say like the Pez candy. Final answer.
That's pretty good. Let's see. Raspberry Kit Kats.
Those are a thing?
I did. That's news to me.
I mean, like.
Oh yeah. Raspberry Kit Kats are number 9.
Yeah, that is pretty weird.
Yeah, never heard of this.
How recently did they even make those?
No idea.
I mean, it would have had to have been within the past few years in order to even make the list.
Yeah, I guess. So.
Well, looks like that some people are not in their right state of mind because they rate chocolate this low.
Well, let's go to number 8 now.
Okay,
so,
yeah. Okay, so if they're willing to rate Kit Kats this low, which I completely support, by the way.
I think Kit Kats are great.
I mean, like, they're not bad, they're just not my favorite.
That's fair. Here's the raspberry ones up.
Yeah, there.
Number
Okay.
8. What do you think?
Let's see. You know what? I might say something that might get some pretty controversial backlash here.
Going for a wild one, huh?
Yes, because people might think that I'm insane for even putting it this low. The heart-shaped Reese's peanut butter cups, although they are my favorite, I doubt that people buy them that consistently to will be like that much of a popular item.
Well, if that's controversial, I put them at 10. So
Oh, okay then.
I'm gonna go with.
I was actually going to go with them again.
All right, I'll switch that up. Regular Kit Kats. Let's see. M&M's Cupid's mix. What is that?
I'm guessing it's like red and pink and maybe some white M&Ms.
That's so. I don't know. I've never heard of it.
Well, there, people back home, you heard it from me at the beginning of this. We do not know anything about Valentine's Day candy. I just see candy and I immediately eat it because it tastes good.
Yeah. I don't really remember what's on the package.
Exactly.
Well, what do you think about number 7? Maybe we've got better luck with that.
I mean, like, we're 3 for 3 at getting it wrong, so I doubt it.
Yeah, so far.
But we can turn the tide.
Fair enough. But it looks like that the higher we go, it's like the more Valentine's Day themed they get.
It
Because
does.
like Fun Dip seems like a little obscure. Raspberry, I can see that to like a certain extent. M&M's Cupid mix, like,
It's got Cupid in the name.
I mean, yeah, like that tracks.
I think I'm gonna go with the Sweet Hearts here. I feel like people get them a lot, but I don't think people like them.
Yeah, like that definitely tracks. I personally despise them. So so like, you
White
know
chalk.
what? Yeah, like, I mean, like, if I could just pick one up and I can just write on the sidewalk with just like, well, sweethearts, then I'm convinced that's chalk. So you know what? I'll put down the same.
Oh, all right. Well, let's see. It's chocolate rose.
Huh.
I guess that's a type of chocolate.
I guess so. Let's see.
Well, now number 6.
Okay, so hold on, hear me out. Like, what if it's not specifically exclusive to candy? I mean, like,
I feel like it says candy on the title, but keep going.
I mean, yeah, fair, but just but like if it like has candy in it, then maybe it's not only exclusive to just like, well, candy. So like kind of like on how like on how people bake like cookies with like, well, some people just put M&Ms in it, and then like they just say, hey, we have a candy cookie here. So like maybe the producers are trying to pull a fast one on us and like pull that. I'm gonna say some ice cream with candy in it. A final answer.
I could never put ice cream anything but number 1, personally. So I'm gonna go something a bit crazier and say candied cherries. I feel like it's something weird because I haven't heard of any of the others. So
You know what? That's kind of fair.
I guess we'll see what it is. The reveal. I didn't actually see what it was before.
Some Lindor strawberries and cream white chocolate. Okay, so
Why is that number 6?
okay. Well, to be fair,
Wait, strawberries and cream white chocolate. I haven't heard of that.
I mean, well, to be fair, I mean, like, white chocolate's pretty bad as it is.
I don't know if I agree with that.
Well, then agree to disagree then.
I guess so. Or you're wrong, but yeah.
We'll talk about this later. Anyways, we are now at the top 5. So, Will, we are 5 for 5 on getting
5
things
wrong,
wrong.
yeah.
So, any hope that the next 5, like, we can possibly, I don't know, like, maybe our luck will change?
I think we can get at least 1. I know personally, if they're putting something Lindor number 6, I gotta go like some big brand 5. There's like, I don't know, Sears, Ghirardelli, Hershey. I feel like you hear Ghirardelli least around. I feel like you hear the other 2 more, so I'm going
Yeah.
Ghirardelli.
Okay, yeah, I mean, like, I personally eat a bunch of Ghirardelli back
Okay.
home. Like, I'm a fiend for that kind of stuff.
It is
So
good.
I know, right? So now, I know that every single year, like they sell a like a more specific type of just like flavor of it. You know what? It's gonna be a long shot, but I'm gonna guess the Ghirardelli strawberry bark.
All right. That's
All right.
very specific.
Yeah. Huh. Ghirardelli strawberry bark.
Dang, you got it dead on.
Yeah, going to be honest, I did not expect that.
Me neither. All right.
All right then.
Let's get number 4.
Okay, so I think this means that we can only put like the more like popular chocolate brands.
Yeah, there's got to be
towards it.
Hershey's got to be in there somewhere. Something Hershey.
Yeah, I doubt it would be at 4 to be honest.
probably not.
Because like let's just be honest, like Hershey makes a lot of chocolate and it's like it's like a cash cow at this point.
I think I'm gonna go Smarties. I feel like I see them a lot at
Really?
Valentine's Day.
Smarties?
I feel like I see them a lot.
I mean-
And I feel like if when Smarties versus chocolate stuff, people are gonna go chocolate.
I mean,
So I think
well,
it's gotta be lower, but I think it's on there.
I mean, I doubt they would put Smarties over Ghirardelli. I mean, like if you just
But
honestly
that's very
think about
specific
it.
type.
I mean, yeah, that's fair, but I mean, like, it's like I see Smarties like year round. Like, I'm pretty sure
That's true.
I'm pretty sure I still have a few in my candy bowl back home from like 2005 or something. I don't know. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if that's the point.
Okay, so what's your guess?
You know what? I'm gonna say Dove chocolates.
Really? At 4?
I mean, hey,
I guess, yeah, Ghirardelli and Lindor are where they are, so yeah.
yeah, I
Could
mean,
be.
like, it could be possible. I mean, like, Reese's has to at least make the top 3 at some point.
Oh, yeah, Reese's has to be on here somewhere.
Yeah, so, you all set, man?
Yeah.
Hershey Kisses.
It's number 4.
I mean, well, to be fair, if you think about it, I mean, like,
I guess the kisses, yeah, I can see that.
yeah. I feel like I should know this one, and I'm gonna be honest, a little bit disappointed in just like, myself on this one. But hey, I mean,
I don't know, I feel like Hershey stuff should be higher on the list, but
yeah.
we'll see what 1, 2,
Yeah,
3
I
are.
can see that. All right, number 3. So, Will, what do you think?
Well, there's still Dove, Sears, and something else that's probably on here. So you said Dove last time, I'll say it this time. Dove chocolate.
You thief.
Yeah.
Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna guess the Reese's Peanut Butter Hearts.
These are them too.
Yeah, I mean, like, to be fair, I mean, like, it's heart shit. It has to make people
Yeah.
list at some point.
It's specifically for Valentine's.
Yeah. All right. Y'all set?
Yeah, go for it.
All right. Here we go. Oh my!
I knew it.
Dove Heart chocolates.
I'm just that good.
Okay then. So this is definitely a development. I think this puts us at 1-1 now.
All right.
Uh,
I am actually very surprised by that, but let's go.
okay.
Um,
Okay. You know what?
Number 2, Reese's. I'm gonna be. If Reese's isn't on this list,
Then I think we have a problem.
yeah, I feel like that'd be an issue. But
Yeah.
I don't know how
Okay.
many people get Reese's. I don't know.
I mean, well, too, like, they're like my all-time personal favorite.
Yeah.
So, I mean, like,
I think I'm gonna go the Reese's Hearts here on this one.
okay then. Well, you want to know what makes me think of just like, Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
When I'm just sitting in front of just like, the TV and like they're playing those Sweet Tarts commercials.
Oh, yeah.
So like, it could be a neck and neck tie for just like, Sweet Tarts and just like, the Reese's Hearts. So you know what? I'm gonna go with Sweet Tarts.
Okay. Yeah.
All right,
let's see.
all set.
Yeah.
Reese's Hearts, you're 2 for 2.
Let's go 2 in a row.
Okay, then that means that Sweet Tarts has to be here then.
I don't know. I think for number 1, I'm gonna go Sears because I think they're the ones that do like the boxes, right? The heart-shaped boxes of chocolate. Is that Sears?
I mean,
I
like,
think that's Sears.
I'm not sure. Isn't Sears a store and not like a chocolate brand?
I think it's also, if it's not Sears, then it's something like Sears. There's a chocolate thing that starts with S. I think it's Sears that does like the chocolate heart
I'm not sure anymore.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to Sears and hope it's not just a clothing store.
It.
Which it might just
I
be.
can't think of a single
So what do
chocolate
you-
brand. I'm gonna say Sweet Tarts.
Tarts,
I mean,
okay.
like I don't have anything to lose.
All right. What is that?
Conversation hearts.
Is that what a sweet tart is? Or is that
No,
what-
no,
I
no,
don't
no, no. Like it's
it's
those,
the thing with the little?
like it's those like chalk candy like
Isn't that what
hearts
Sweet
that
Tarts
have
are?
like. No, no, no.
That's not what sweet tarts are.
I honestly don't know.
Wait.
The ads are like a little weird from like time to
I
time.
don't know what sweet tarts are.
Yeah. So Will, last time I checked, I've only got one right. I think you got two right. So I think that means that you won this.
I think so, but I think our scorekeeper will let us know for sure.
I mean, like if I'm keeping track, then I think that's the case.
Here comes the score.
And
Okay.
It says Will won.
Okay. I mean,
Where there's a
well,
will, there's a way.
You know what they say.
yes, that is indeed true. Well, it was the will of just pure random luck, Emma, and us taking shots in the dark in order for you to just make it this far. I'm pretty sure that our envelope said that you got a prize.
Yes, that's right. There's supposed to be a prize with this.
Yeah.
Oh, I think here it comes. Ah, I'm surprised neither of us guessed this, honestly.
I mean, like to be fair, I think that we'd be a bit of a sucker if we guessed it.
All right, good one.
Thank you. All right. Well, that's it from us, folks. Thank you for tuning in to the second episode of ECTV Tries. Join us next week where we take two people and they go through a similar ordeal as us. My name is Francesco Mancini-Menditto.
And I'm Will Veith.
Take care.
See you next time.